between Southside and sobrang bigat. Bigat. Now, Carmina and Lorca. First ball. McGregor. Amante. Dachini. Pampano good. Rebound by Carmina Villarreal. Number 11. Daes. Strata out. Sayang. Wow, Galindez is here, my friend. Wow, ingat na. Galing yan sa kanya. Pampon! Kapagin ni Peter Pan! 3 more! Ang Pampon! Number 11. Katanghal! Carmina! 5 on the shot clock! Hey, other goal! Jet Li! Ruro Madrid! Ruro alas again! Ruro Maching now! Ruro Maching! Now ang Gandula, Sir Gandula. Gandula, pula manisay, good. Turnover. Wow, hindi na naman ito. Natakbo si McGregor. Now on Carmina. Galindez. Katanghal. Ruro Login. Ruro Magtukaw. My friend Tukaw. Isa pa. Steven Katanghal. Kasi number 40. Under goal. Ruro again. Back to back. Ruro Maching. Madrid. Madrid. Maching hawig lang daw. Extra pass. The steal! Another steal na tumog. Casey basket. Yeah, got bola. Lawan Galindez. Galindez extra pass. Pero may shot. Carmen ang bukaka. No good. Lawan Papan. From the Netherlands. Papan. McGregor. Dokug. McGregor, 12 on the shot clock, Papan, from the Netherlands, no good. Natatakpan naman yan. Lawan Katanghal, cross pass, Galinde, lose the ball, set the ball magkawas, Tuloka. Lawan, Gantula, Page, extra, wow. Goal ball, easy basket. Last after Alundan. Semis. Galindez, jersey number 11, back to Galindez. Up, was foul rep, holding foul, jersey number 12. First personal foul on Gantula, first team foul. Ganda ng laban na ito. Meron pa tayo 2 games sa Camille. Now on Galindez. Katanghal to Galindez, jersey number 11. Daes, Tubo, Bagun, Rubao, Papan on the run, extra, behind the back, same ball. 18 on the shot clock. 18 on the shot clock. Now on Tubo, the heavier, off the glass, no good, rebound, on, McGregor, now on Carmina. Carmina to Galindez, shake Galindez, fires off the glass, 2 points. 7-16 score, still in favor. Lumang na kay Lisa. Isang 3, isang 2. Now on Gambula, airborne. Single Carmina, 2 points. Meron tayo substitution, ha? In case of dead ball or foul. Ito na, my friend. Jim Mel. Now Galindez. 8 on the shot clock. 5 on the shot clock. Spin. In and out. Rebound. Papan. Now on Gantula. Cross the line. Gantula. Lorca. Double. 10 on the shot clock. Lorca. 5. One shot. Rebound. Katanghal, cross the line, Katanghal, all the way, Katanghal, running, 2 4. Advance timeout. Timeout, Happy Nuts. With 4 minutes and 51 seconds. Pare-parehas sagot nyo. Ito na nga. Ito ang chika. Si ano, inano ni ano. Chika minute kayo. Si Kuan, inano ni ano. Si Kuan, inano ni Kuan. Back to the ball game. Now, perseverance, my friend. Jimel, ang bulante. Bulaban. Ito na, the original. From Manu Ginobili. Fadeaway shot. Carmina Villa Boca Rowen. Mawang Barban. Hey, Santula, Jake, Justin, Scoop, Roderick, Rindar, Purda, Christopher, now number 14, Katanghal, foul. Second personal foul, second team foul, substitution. Mercado, first appearance, judge number 8.
Kita mo bola, bilis mo bola.
Manu Ginobili, Pabedita, Mawon Wolverine, Katanghal, Wolverine, hey! Carmina, Villa, Roel Romo, Tibaba de la Cruz. May sub tayo, nagbar. Now, Dukov, my friend. From British, Dukov, British Bulldog. Dukov, taking strong, line, no good, rebound, line. Jet Li, now on Manu Ginobili, extra pass, Jet Li, pero ay Carmina, no good. Rebound on Parpan, Parpan, cross the line, Parpan, taking strong, ingat pa, Mercado, no good. Now on Carmina, Carmina Villaruel, taking strong, down, no good, last defense, on De La Cruz, only one, hey, Parpan, 2 points. Wala pa eh, dead ball. 3 minutes, time remaining. Oh. Number 14. Number 14 to number 12. Manu Ginobili foul. Parang De La Cruz. Substitution rep sub. First personal foul. Third team foul. Aray, kaya pa. Oh, ito parang nabanguwag daw. First attempt, Manu Ginobili. Jimel. Manu Ginobili. Si Jimel Bili. Ang tindi mo naman, partner. Gusto mo naman na lahat. Speciality yung Manu Jimel. Albananga. Now on Papan. Papan. Mac Grego. Ang papas. Magkawas! Ang lakas! Turnover. Number 12. Jersey number 12. Wow, na good. Pulpa. Jet Li. Ruru. Madrid. Iba. Si Ruru. Ruru Matic. Number 8, Mercado, to De La Cruz. Jersey number 21, De La Cruz. Extra pass, ganda. Nakakas po the ball. Pass and play. Now, matagal. Bitin. Sobrang lakas. Sayang, hindi kinaya. Knock-uppers. Now, number 62, Parban. Last 2 minutes na tayo, ha? Mercado for 3. No good, Pagkawas. Lane, turnover. Tony Parker. Tony Parker. Tony Parker. No good. Rebound by Bagawa. Foul. Pushing power. Fortune pala. Hindi na nila siya pero fortune pala. Fortune pala. First personal foul. Attack. First team foul. Number 5. Mercado once again. No good. Rebound. On cam. Hindi na. Bumilaruin. Nawag katanghal. Jersey number 14. Traveling. Turnover. Traveling. Sab. Takin tayo pre. Brothers touch. Wala. Laban. Oo, laban. Cross pass. Long two points. Kanor. McGregor. Si Amante, the deadliest man alive. Oh, for sure pala. Jetty is foul. Foul by Magkawas. Jersey number 25. First. Warning for penalty. Ha? JJ Pakulay, shoutout sa iyo. The Panalay King. Ang Batang Mindoro. Shoutout sa iyo. Iba ka kagabi. Grabe ang init mo. Sasabog ang ulo eh. Sa laki. Shoutout sa iyo, my friend. Sabi ni Gonzi. Split hindi yun. Ikaw mismo. Cross pa. McGregor naman. Rebound. 5. Ruro Madrid. Now number 22. Patanghal. Cross pa. Carmina bilang doang 3 points. Shot na ko. 20 seconds. First quarter. Cross the line pa pa. Nawag de la Cruz. 10 on the shot clock. 5 on the shot clock. Mercado! 3 points! Wala na! Wala na! Ang basa nila. Dalay na lang tayo. Second quarter. Parpat. Wow, bola, winning shot, gawin, rebound for me, Real Madrid, now number 22, Steve, then number 12, Aliwag, Magkawas, 2 points. Now on Galindez, number 91 to Galindez, Jamel, number 12, Cabren, no good. Rebound, push the bar. Gomez to Magkawas. Magkawas, cross pass, extra pass. Wow! Nagdula, 2 points. Iba ang takbuhan ng puti. Nawang Katanghal. Galindez. Katanghal to Galindez. Galindez. Katanghal. Arbolante. Katanghal. 5 on the shot lang. Galindez. To good. Rebound. Ruru. Teka lang. Foul on number 13. First personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. Sub. 13. First personal foul. First team foul. Ruru on the free throw line. Ruru. Maching. Madrid daw, sabi ni Gonzi. Ba't kanina sabi mo? Oo, tanibang bansa si Ruru. Ruru Madrid. Hey! Jet Li, kapatid ni Bruce Lee. Dagoon, rebound by Odubar Gomez. Same ball. 22-17. Walang sibot sa free throw. Now on Parpan. Parpan. Extra. Wow! Back-to-back 3 points. Mercado. Meron talaga para sa Indonesia. Madami. Ako pa sa pass. Galindez. Katanghal. In and out. Rebound by Mercado. Mercado all the way. Turnover. on the shot clock. 16 on the shot clock. Naibigay na. Tungkol ikaw talaga. Oh, sub. Ngayon. Pumasok ka na, sub. Sub on. Si Maggawa, si Mark Magsayo. 9 on the shot clock. 9 on the shot clock. Pakinggan nyo na lang rep. Yung aking game. Reset the shot clock. Fast break. Pampain! Turnover. Ayun! Nagagalit si Turmong. Nagagalit. Ang taga-British. British Bulldog. Hey! Papa Nick! Hey! Real Madrid, no good. Foul on number 8. Jersey number 8, first personal foul. Second team foul. Make the person Real Madrid. Last foul throw. Free throws. No good. Rebound by Otibar Gomez. Now on for fun. Mercado. Gomez. Take it strong. Penalty shot. 2 points. Gomez. Katanghan. 12 on the shot clock. Number 11, Galindez. In and out. Ibang Madukov. Back pass. Nawag Katanghan. For 3. Cross pass. Gently. No good. Yan. Katanghan na. Foul. Sab. Holding foul on. 13. Second personal foul. 13 foul. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Now on Galindez, extra pass. Carmina push up. No good. Rebound by Tuka. Now on Jantula. Good ball. Jantula, run. Extra pass. Tuka. Sayang. Turnover. Sigma. Morning on the shot clock. Dugong. Extra pass. Gomez, Sabuy, rebound na Jernica. Nawan Katanghan. Cross the line. Turnover. What a defense of jersey number 23, the young Michael Topak Jordan. That delay. Mercado, no good. Nawang Galindez. Hey, Galindez, cross pass. Nawang Daes. Number 91, bad boy. James Arden. Look at the run. Wow. Ang puwet. Mercado. Gandula. Tenga sa back sa labas. Turnover. Nagulang si Michael Jordan. Number 14 to number 11. Number 27, foul. Number 8, pass and play. Foul. Sino? Number 91, second personal foul. Second team ball, sub. Takin na ngayos, takin. Francisco, jersey number 7. 15 on the Dugong. Cross pass. Robilo. 3-5. Robilo. Ibang iyawan doon. Parang nasa Correa Astrodome. Nawan Galindez. Number 12. Nawan Galindez. Number 12. Ginobili to number 14. Pay. Bola for 3. No good. Rebound. Gomez. Pass for 3. Robilo. Robilo. North Carolina rebound. Galindez. Cross the line. Galindez on the way. Takes a pass. Number 12. Manu. Jimel. 2-5. Dugong. Francisco, number 7. Francisco extra pass to Dugong. Dugong, pull up. On the center. Dugong. Galindez. Hassan by Robilo. Cross the line. Galindez. Number 11 to number 12. Now on Ambulante. Zigzag. Oh, tic-tac-toe. Ang tawag doon, rep. Robin. Turnover. Sayang ka lang. Pagulong-gulong pa naman. Simple landing. Hindi na pwede na ba? Sayang pagulong-gulong. Simple. Ano top-lead? Hey, one pass! Pinag-pinag si Jumare, ha? Turnover. Now, number 12. 14, 11. On the side. Number 27, no good. Rebound from Francisco. To Gomez, number 13. Number 13, to Lorca. Number 25, Lorca. 14 on the shot clock, 12 on the shot clock, 10 on the shot clock. Robilo once again. Oh, come on. Substitution. Sub. Simbol. Gomez Steve. Gomez is the ball. Simbol. Para shot clock. Five on the shot clock. No good. Pass ball play. Number 7. Number 7. Now on Gomez. Foul. Sino foul? Timeout tayo. Timeout. Ref timeout. Habigat. First personal foul on jersey number 14. Wala na akong manadusor. Ano na ba? 14 on the shot clock. Ref, okay na, ano ba? Ref, ano ba nangyari? Kanina ko pa nag-chika-chika. Referee warning for delaying the game. Home goal pass. Lose the ball, number 13. Extra pass, number 27. Danis. Number 11. Bing. Oh, 11. 10 on the shot clock. Number 14. Number 14. Lose the ball. Foul. Number sino? Who's foul rep? 25. Tinga, sab. Rep, siglit. Sino ba? Number 14. Second, warning for penalty. Number 7, Francisco. Pick up. Lose the ball. Nice stop. Still number 11. Goodbye. Galindez. Number 7. Number 7. Hey. Number 7. Wow. Cross pass. Robin Lopez. Robin Lopez. Oh! Number 9. Tuklaw. 5 on the shot clock. Oh! Robin Lopez. 3 points. 50 seconds. Two back. Baez. Bang! 3 points. Francisco De La Cruz. Extra pass. Steve. Pass break play. Number 12. Pushing foul. Teka lang ka. Alam ni Repki Buloy yan. Pushing foul on number 7. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Side ball lang. Warning for penalty. Both team warning for penalty with 26 seconds. Meron pa lang dalawang game. Extra pass. Now on Sergio. Late turnover. Foul. Holding foul. Penalty na rin. Penalty tayo. Technical tayo sa bench de forum ng Happy Jets. Technical tayo ni Rep. Nasa loob na kayo lahat. Technical for bench de forum. Wala sa ayos. Yung bata daw. Yung bench daw kanina po. Technical na kayo. Yung bata baka madaganan dyan. Technical free throw will be taken on Robelo. Yes. 36-27. Now 2 free throws for Carmina, Villa, Quintana. Penalty po. Shot lang up tayo ha. Bench na demand, bench. Miss the first on Carmina. Screen charity. Shot clock off. 23 seconds. Shot clock off. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Extra pass. Lorna. Cortas. Butuno. Pushing foul. Penalty. 4 seconds. Penalty tayo. Tulao. First personal foul. Tulao. Break the first. Number 22. Batanghal. Next vote. 4 seconds. Pakinggan nyo ang aking Arigan buzzer, human buzzer. Galindez. Number 12. Wow. In and out. Carmina. No good. Dupong. Pass to Barban. Lawan Gandula. Cross the line. Mercado! No good. Rebound, Carmina. Carmina 2. Galindez, cross pass. Jaez, 40. No good. Rebound on McGregor. Gatbola, Tugog. Running shot. Foul, basket. Holding on. Number 20. 11. First personal foul. First team foul, Galindez. Bonus shot for Dokug. The last British Bulldog. A center complete from British Bulldog. Dokug. Ayan, nagana ng ating passer. Finally. Pag-Taiwan, ganyan natin yan. Number 12 to number 11. Number 3, put up. Walang pasa kasi. 3 point, no good. Bumaba number 8. Set the play to McGregor. Oh, who's the ball? Now on the leader. Now number 12. Number 12 on the way. 5 and good back. On Carmina Villarroel. 2 points. Aba na hapon na. Dumana lang. Now on. Mercado. To Marfan. To Gatula. Turn from the shot clock. To pulls up. 2 points. Number 11, number 11. Dive! 3 points! Iyan na. Now on Marfan. Mercado. To Dukong. Dukong extra pass. And the goal. On the side. No good for Gatula. Now on number 12. Still. Gatula. 2 points. Galindez. Siyempre na na siya ka. Continue. Daif! Daif! Time out! Correct! Sige na! Ano naman? Wala, hindi natakbo. Time out nga! Hindi niya nagana. Nakalaya yung pasigaw. Hindi naman nagana yung oras. In-honor natin yung time out. Para wala naman sigawan dito. Kaya naman, hindi naman natakbo yung oras eh. In-honor natin yung time out. Saan kayo mag-react kung natakbo? Hindi yan. Lagi na lang pag-ganon. Not counted yun, not counted. Oh, yan, may basag na tayo. Okay, back to the ball game. Ito. Okay, nagamit ko na timeout dyan sa third quarter. Oh, wala na may timeout. Meron pa dito sa kabila. Oras. Alam niyo yan, ay hindi nagay ng oras. Hindi counted. Now on Gatula. Dukong on the side. Bounce, lucky bounce, 2 points. Number 11. Number 14, no good. Number 3, Carmina, traffic. No good. Rebound Dukong. Dukong. Gatula. Cross the line, behind the back. Gatula. 14 on the shot clock. Parpan. Mercado, no good. Dukong. Dukong. Zigzag, pull up. No good. Pull back. Foul. Back. Basket. Technical. Teka. Pare, teka. Ipapaliwanag yan. Okay. Ay, quiet! Okay. Knockout tayo. Technical on jersey number 91 po. Teka. Teka lang. Ipapaliwanag yan. Ha? For continuous complaining. 21. Right. 91. Technical foul for continuous complaining on jersey number 91. Dukog. Oo. Sa team fouls. Technical tayo for resettlement of call. Number 91. Inayos natin yung tamang tawag. Meron pa kayo sa mga. Make the bonus shot. Technical free throws. Ball possession po lang. Happy Cats. Teka. Correct na naman. Paano ba yun? Pero basket yung technical. Not counted. Reset the ball possession. Okay. Okay na, back to the ball game. Pero basket yung technical free throws. One ball. Abante, 2 points. Number 3, Darius. Foul. Number 11. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Ready.
Gantula, 10 on the shot clock. Extra pass, almost a steal. 2 on the shot clock. Katakhan, extra pass. Valueless foul. Sub. Second personal foul, personal play. Second team foul, Mercado. Galindez, what's the first? Split charity. Look out, number 91, no good. Number 7, Galindez, number 11, extra pass. Katangan, second play, Shukula, 2 points. Akak. Number 12, Gantula. Second play, Parpa, Tumantula, Gantula, Monte. Foul, basket. Post foul rep. 29. Bonus shot, 3-point plus 1. Second personal foul on Porciungula, third team foul. Third team foul on Happy Cats, second personal foul, number 29. Bonus shot for number 12. 3 points. Central complete from the Tula. 50. Now Porciungula again. McGregor to Marban. Gandula, spin. Gandula, cross line. Mercado. 3 points. Time out, Happy Cats. Buenas. Porciungula, Tulga, Galindez, ito pa, Carmina, Tulga, 2 points. Parpan, ito pa, passing ball. 14 on the shot clock. Barbas, Galindez foul and 1 foul on Mercado. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. 13 ball lang, 13 foul. Naibigay na. Late pa rin. Substitution, Tuhong. Official score, 48-54. Still in favor. Southside, now on Gandula, set the play. Gandula, penetrate. Rebound, Porciungula. To number 27. Number 27, 2 points. Apat na lang ang laman. 50-54. Gandula. Sasa, 5. Oh, lucky foul. Ilan yun? 2 points. 2 points.
Hoy! Huwag kang magalit!
Number 27, David. Carmina, 2 points. Third. Lorca, third again. Lorca, running shot. David. Rebound ng Lorca. Turnover. Last 2 minutes na. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by RFK, Chairwoman, Pinakatanghal, and our Commissioner, Bukikat Dula, and the participant of our Kapitan, Jobit Katanghal. 2 points. Gandula, take it strong. Good. Carmina, Galindez cross the line. Galindez foul. Foul number 62. Warning pa lang, warning. Substitution, warning for penalty, warning. Warning for penalty. 1 minute and 26 seconds. Galindez, 2. Katanghal. Pero kulang. Spin na lang. Benitez. Patangan. Spin. Patangan. Ito na. Robert Carmina. 2 points. All 56 on the clock. First deadlock of the ball game. All 56. Now, Robilo, David. Foul. Penalty tayo. Penalty. Foul on number 25, Lorca. Penalty na rin. Second personal foul on jersey number 25. Substitution, sub. Change favor na po, nawang na po ang Habigats finally with 26 seconds left. Third quarter. Oh, missed the second free throw. Split charity. Gina Cruz. Now on Lorca. Robilo. Take a strong. Foul. Foul number 11. Warning for Broadway. Third. Warning for penalty. Third personal foul. All 57.
Wala akong pera.
Oh, 57-58, change favor. Lapang na po ulit ang Southside. 25 seconds. Foul, Lorca, penalty. Third personal foul, penalty. Shot clock off. Para shot clock off. Contribution.
Tangin mo, galingan mo.
Carmina make the first. All 58. Third deadlock of the ball game. Shot clock off, 21 seconds. Change favor ulit. Pass break play, steal. 15 seconds. Melendez. 10 seconds. 5 on the shot clock. Traveling. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Basa na lang maririnig niya, hindi na ako magsasalita. And in the third quarter, back to the ball game. Now, the final quarter will be Dugong, Gomez, Mercado, Papan, and Gatula. On the other side, Carmina, Smith! What a move by Gatula, 2 points.
Rep, dagdag-dagal kita, Rep.
Hindi ako nakasalaw. Gatula. Dugong. 5 on the shot clock. 2 on the shot clock. 3 points. Basket is good. Out there. 59 lang yung kabila, 59. Wow! Carmina! Jersey number 3, 2 points. Nawan Parpan. Parpan. Mercado. Gentula. Offensive foul.
Oy!
Kumapit. Third on jersey number 12. First team foul. Third personal foul.
Tupot lang ha. Tingod.
No team foul.
Baka naman po,
Third personal foul.
pa dyan.
Ten on the shot clock. 12 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Shot clock expired. Turnover. Dugong.
Kulot daw niya naman. Tumis kulot na. Tawagan ko na.
Lawan Mercado. Mercado to Dugong. Dugong spin. Turn away. No good. Iba na Carmina. Carmina to Gahundes. Upper round. Upper round. Breaks. Extra back. Wow. Break by Dugong. Extra back. Behind the back. Cross back. Pop back. Shoot the ball. Extra back. Mercado. Down Gahundes. 15 on the shot clock. Dias stays. Dias pull up. Dias no good. Parpan. Parpan on the run. Cross the line. Parpan. Parpan all the way. On the goal. 2 points.
Carlos!
What a play. On the advance tayo tayo rin. Yan ang shot clock. Number 11, pull up, on 2, number 8, rebound on Dugong. Now, look at ball. Dugong sa ball, turnover. Time out. Time out. Happy Gats? Blue ball. Turnover, sila Dugong. Number 14, number 12, number 14, Evan, Papanik, save the time, Papanik, Tahaw, Gentula, dalawa. Lawan Gomez, 10 on the shot clock. Gentula, no good, rebound. Mercado to Gentula, drive, extra pass, Dugong, pull up, no good. Turnover. 67-63, still in play ball. Southside win. 5 minutes and 39 seconds, time remaining. Jersey number 12, Alvarado to Gahundes. Gahundes to Tahaw. Tahaw bagas. Receive by Akang. 10 on the shot clock. Gahundes. Hey! Offensive foul. Number 91. South. Third personal foul. Substitution. Nawan Gentula. 5 minutes 15. 15 on the shot clock. Gomez for 3. Airborne. Katanghal. 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 Oh! Wala ka sabay. Behind the back. Dugong. Cross the line. Dugong. Extra pass. Gentula. 12 on the shot clock. Now on. Gomez. Extra pass. Mercado. The blue. Huwag ka na 14. Katanghal. Ataka, cross pass, Akang, running siya, let's go pass. Foul! Ginobili, 2 points. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. 15 on the shot clock. Now on number 12, Ginobili. 91 extra pass, on the ball. Gomez, 2 points.
Rep!
Number 22, upo lang, pareho, upo lang, takin. Number 12, 14 on the shot clock. Meron tayo substitution rep half. Number 14, foul! Basket! 8, number 8, substitution tayo. Substitution. Almost a 4-point play. 8, number 14 make the free throw. 4-point play. 3 points plus basket. May all kaya? Para sa free throw. Albanza. Cross pass. 2 points. Foul. Substitution tayo. First team foul na lang, malayo pa. Maubos na oras. 3 minutes and 32 seconds. Now on the Zakula. Hey, Parfan. Dagod. Rebound by Carmina. To Galindez. Galindez cross the line. Galindez inside. Wow! Go home for the rebound. Go home. 8 seconds. Inapat ka na.
8 seconds.
Ari ka pa, senyas ka pa. Ayan, 14, 10 seconds na eh. 10 seconds. Sab. Ang ka na senyas mo kasi, tingnan lang, papa 8 seconds ako. Ayun, natuloy yan. Nasa inis ka eh. Nice one, Dukog. Back to the ball game, number 12 to number 11. 3 minutes remaining. Galindez! In and out! Ano ba Gomez? Now Parfan. 8 seconds din! Tatagalan nyo! Gomez! Turnover! Tatagalan nyo! Pare, ayun na! Ayan! Sab! Ayun! Nagbibilang yung referee natin. Kahit kami hindi magbilang, sa kanila yan. Number 11. 2 points to Panghan. Change favor. Lawan Parfan. Extra. Gomez. David. Rebound. Number 13. Foul on number 12. Time out pare. Ref time out tayo, right. 70 lang yan, 70. Here. Sir, morning for graduate jersey number 12. Hinahanap niya yung paliwanag bago mag-walkout ka, halika rito. Yung klaro lang, pre. Ito naman yung larong para sa atin lahat. Yun na nga, pinaliliwanag. Back to the ball game tayo. Okay na. Konting paliwanag, konting diferensya, pasensya. Yun. Back to the ball game. Yung ball na si Igat doon ha. Warning for graduate ha. Si jersey number 12. Parehas lang tayo dito. Ito yung liga para sa dos. Walang panag dito. Charlie Manalo. Happy birthday! Charlie Manalo na. Advance happy birthday. Now, jersey number 11 to number 14. Hey! Turnover! Almost last game na tayo. Hands up. Number 13, no good. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes for the Mercury Five. Ang SK, 2 points. At manananda. Gandula. Bogod, with the ball. Number 14, last pass. Set the play. Number 14, 50 minutes shot clock. Number 14, not good. Number 3, this is the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. No good. Go back. Oh, time out, time out, time out. Back to the ball game with 1 minute and 3 seconds. Official score, 69-74. Now turn the favor on Habitats. Kanina sa right. Now on Habitats. The turntable, Tarpang. Now on Gandula. Bugog. Bugog. Bugog the steal. Down. No basket. First personal foul. Ilang team foul? Second team foul. Second team foul. First personal foul. Hindi nakita bro. Dugog. Extra pass. Tuna. No good. Way back. Put back. 2 points. 42 seconds. 18 on the shot clock, 15 on the shot clock, 12 on the shot clock, 10. Foul. Wala pa. Warning for penalty. Wala pa. Warning for penalty. Lantaw na siya natin. First personal foul on jersey number 18. Time reset at 14. Galindez. Foul. Graduate na si Gandula. 5 fouls! Gandula, 5 fouls. Penalty, penalty. Penalty. Oh. With the first. Pag na-shoot, pare. Oo. Pag na-shoot, time out yan. Ayan lang natin yan. Advance. Bumot. Rebound. Foul. Time out, pare. Time out. Time out. Time out! Happy bets. Nakashot na free throw, ha? Okay, next game, maghanda na. Sobrang gabing-gabi na tayo. Bukas, maghanda na kayo. Ano na tayo? Cancel ba? Overnight na tayo. Resume the ball game with 17 seconds. 2 free throws for Galindez ba? Si Galindez? Si Katanghan. Make the push. Next vote. 17 seconds. One pass. Foul. Third personal foul. 77-71. Penalty. Sorry. Sayang. Maghapong lamang. Magdamag lamang. Ay, sana ba? 15 seconds. Kaya pa yan. May pangyayari pa dyan. Hugod. Aba! Foul. Diretso pa rin eh. Running for graduate. Number 62. Penalty. 14 seconds. Hey! Tapias. May dalawang turnover. Split charity. Bagkas. Steal na naman. Okay, that's it. Okay na. Buzzer for